And another unboxing. What do we have here? Four gallons of pure synthetic gold. If you like unboxing videos and you want to see the stuff that comes to my house, tell me in the comments. I'm driving this Q5 right now that you just saw start up. Yeah, the smoke, that was because the engine had completely destroyed itself. The rods were going blah, 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 and pistons blew into pieces. And yeah, it was because, you know, either, in my opinion, it was because whoever did the piston job screwed up. And yeah, I'm gonna say something like that, even though I do piston jobs. That puts more pressure on me because I can't ever have engines disintegrate themselves. But anyway, you heard how the noise of the engine was clattering pretty bad? It was like you could hear it even whenever I stepped outside the garage. Well, that's absolutely abnormal. You'll normally hear a these engines do sound louder, and a lot of people think that it's valve noise, but it's absolutely not. These engines sound loud because they have direct injection, and they have their fuel injectors are popping off at 2,000 PSI, so that's why they sound like a baby diesel. So the next cut will be me showing just the engine running properly and what it sounds like after it runs for about 10 or 15 minutes. And you'll get the same condition if you purchase a used engine from a junkyard or something that sits around for about a half a year or a year or something. The same thing happens with lifters whenever you just have them sitting in a bag or something for a really long time, and they have to build their oil pressure back up. All right, give me a like and a subscribe. Check you later. So this is how the engine runs now after it's been driven for a few miles. All right, this is how it's supposed to sound. This is the sound. I'm gonna be quiet and let you hear it. That's the proper Audi sound. All right, I've been trying to run some fresh fuel through this thing because it had about a quarter tank of more than year-old gas, but it takes about 10 or 15 minutes for the lifters to build. All right, a NaptownTuner.